Hello, in this video I want to show you how to play The Elder Scrolls V Skyrim on your Android smartphone. So to do this, first you'll need to get the Skyrim on your Steam account. You need to buy it right here, no other platform will work. Now the next thing is to open your Android smartphone right here. Make sure that you're using the same connection and Wi-Fi network as on PC and on your Android smartphone. Next, download the Steam Link app, and we've shown you how to download it in our previous video. Right here we want to click on Start Playing, enter the PIN code, click on Connect. Now let's select the game and click play. Play. So the game should run like this, and now we can click on continue. But the controls right here are kind of weird, but let's try it anyway. Continue, and then yes. So the game should run, and as you can see, it works very well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.